Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson for grade 4 math. We're doing fractions. So as we continue with our topic for fractions, we're going to be doing the lowest terms. The lowest terms simply means we have to divide a certain number or a certain fraction to its lowest terms. So I have examples here with me, so we're going to do them together. So our first one, it is 2 divided by 10, 2 over 10. So what we do is we find the number that is the lowest that divides a 2 and a 10 without leaving a remainder. Like here, let's divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 2 divided by 2, that's 1. 2 divided by 10, that's 5. So our answer is 1 over 5. Like this. You see? This is how you divide your math to the lowest term, or your fraction to the lowest term. So let's move on to another one. 5 divided by 25 to its lowest term. So let's find the number that we can divide by 5 and 25 without leaving a remainder. So let's quickly do a multiplication. 5 times 1 equals to 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. So our answer is 5. So we divide here by 5. Divide by 5. So 5 divided by 5, that's 1. 5 divided by 25, that's 5. Like this. So you simply find the number that can divide a 5 and a 25 without leaving a remainder. Like this, we have 5 is the number that we divide with, the number that divides both 5 and 25 without leaving a remainder. So let's move on to the next one. 6 divided by 24 to its lowest term. So we find a number which we can divide by 6 and 24 without leaving a remainder. So let's find out. Let's say 2 divided by 6, that's 3. 2 divided by 24, that's 12. We still need to divide a 3 to 12, and then say 3 divided by 3, that's 1. 3 divided by 12, how many we have? That's 6. So this one is the lowest term. So we need the lowest term. So the number that we can divide by 6 and 24 without leaving us a remainder, which is the lowest, that's 6. You divide by 6 like this. 6 divided by 6, that's 1. 6 divided by 24, that's 4. Like this. So this is how you simply do your math to the lowest term, your fraction to the lowest term. Let's divide a 9 and an 18. Which one is the lowest number that can divide a 9 and an 18 without leaving a remainder? So our number is 9. You divide by 9. Don't find a number which is going to give you the longest term. Like you divide by 3 and then 3, you still need to divide also by 3 in order to get the answer. So you find the number that can divide in 9 and 18, giving you the lowest to the lowest term. So here 9 divided by 9, that's 1. 9 divided by 18, that's 2. Like this. You see? So if you want to be sure if your answer is correct, like here, you say 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times 5, that's 10. You see? It's the 2 over 2, the 2 over 10 still comes back here. So, like here, 5 times 1, that's 5. 5 times 5, that's 25. You see, it still comes back here. So, if you times your answer, and then it gives you another number here, it means we have done it wrong. So, this is how you do your math to the lowest term. I'm going to give you another 2 examples, then we do them together. Let's say we have 3 over 9, like this. So which other number do we divide a 3 and a 9 without leaving a remainder? So we divide by 3 over 3, like this. 3 divided by 3, that's 1. 3 divided by 9, that's 3, like this. So let's figure it out if our answer is correct. You say 3 times 3, that's 9. 3 times 1, that's 3. You see, it still comes back here, like this. So always make sure the number that you're dividing is the correct one, like this. Okay, let me give you another example. Let's say we have 4 over 16. 4 over 16 to its lowest term. Which number do we divide a 4 over 16 to its lowest term? We divide by 4. Like this. 4 divided by 4, that's 1. 4 divided by 16, that's 4. You see, like this. So let's figure it out if our answer is correct. 4 times 4, that's 16. 4 times 1, that's 4. Like this. So this is how you do your math fractions to the lowest term each and every time you're giving to express your fraction to the lowest term. So this is all for our lesson for the lowest terms. Until we meet again in our next lesson. Bye for now.